You stare at your savings. You know you should be investing, but you're scared. Is $5,000 even enough to start investing for beginners? What if the market crashes tomorrow? What if I pick the wrong fund and lose everything? If that's you, this is the one investing for beginners video you actually need. Because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how a $5,000 one-time investment can turn into $250,000 and even $600,000 with just 3 simple ETFs and zero guesswork. Investing for beginners doesn't have to be complicated. An ETF is just a basket of stocks. One click and you own hundreds or even thousands of companies at the same time. A single stock is betting on one company. An actively managed mutual fund is also a basket, but with a manager taking 0.5% to 1.5% out of your money every year. An ETF is the middle ground, a cheap, passive basket that tracks an index, with fees usually between 0.03% and 0.3%. The key number to remember is the expense ratio. If a fund charges 1% per year, it takes $10 out of every $1,000 you have, whether the market goes up or down. Rule for investing for beginners: never buy an ETF if the expense ratio is over 0.2%. In this video, all 3 funds are under 0.09%, keeping costs almost invisible. Before you click Buy, ask 3 simple questions. First, what's the expense ratio? If it's high, walk away. Second, what does this ETF actually own? Not the marketing name, not the fancy slogan, the index it tracks and what's inside that index. Third, has this fund survived real crashes? The dot-com bubble, the 2008 financial crisis, the 2020 pandemic? If yes, it's more likely to be stable for the long term, which is exactly what investing for beginners need: simplicity, safety, and time. Now, imagine John. He has $5,000. He wants to start investing for beginners, but he doesn't want to overthink it. So he builds a 3 ETF portfolio that's designed to grow, not impress. First, VO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It tracks 500 of the largest companies in the United States: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, and 495 others. Expense ratio just 0.03%. Its job in the portfolio is stability, the foundation, the floor. Second, QQQ, the Invesco NASDAQ 100 ETF. It tracks the 100 largest non-financial companies on the NASDAQ, dominated by tech: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, Tesla. Historically, it has returned around 19% per year on average. Its job is acceleration, pushing the ceiling higher than the S&P 500 alone can deliver. Third, VXUS, the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. It tracks over 8,000 companies outside the United States, across Europe, Japan, the UK, China, India, Brazil, and more. Expense ratio around 0.05%. Average return around 6.5%. Its job is balance, geographic diversification, so your portfolio isn't entirely dependent on the United States having a good decade. Now, how John splits his $5,000, a perfect beginner-friendly allocation: 50% into VO, $2,500. This is the safe anchor of the portfolio. 30% into QQQ, $1,500. This is the growth engine. 20% into VXUS, $1,000. This is the global balance. 3 ETFs, 3 jobs, one simple rule: you don't need to beat the market, you just need to stay in it, which is the core of any successful investing for beginners strategy. And here's what happens over time. With an average annual return around 13.6% and automatic dividend reinvestment, this same $5,000 one-time investment can grow to about $19,500 after 10 years, around $72,300 after 20 years, over $268,000 after 30 years, all from one decision made once with no extra money added. But what if you're willing to take more risk for more reward? Same starting point, $5,000, one time, no extra contributions, just two changes. This is the Advanced Investing for Beginners path. First, remove VXUS. Second, add VGT, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF. VGT tracks more than 300 U.S. technology companies, including Apple and NVIDIA, which together make up over 30% of the fund. It's pure tech. Semiconductors, software, hardware, IT services, nothing else. Expense ratio 0.09%. Average annual share price appreciation around 21.5%, the highest of any fund in this video. In this aggressive growth portfolio, John changes his allocation like this: VO 40%, $2,000, still the anchor but a little smaller. QQQ 35%, $1,750, more tech, more growth. VGT 25%, $1,250, the most aggressive position doing the heavy lifting on the growth side. Because of this change, the portfolio's average annual return jumps to about 17.4%. Here's what that does over 30 years for investing for beginners. After 10 years, around $25,700, already thousands more than the starter portfolio. After 20 years, around $128,900, nearly double the starter version. After 30 years, over $640,000. Same $5,000, same one-time investment, same timeline, just a higher risk tolerance and a much bigger reward. Now, how do you actually buy these ETFs as investing for beginners? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard are great for beginners. No account minimums, no monthly fees. All three support every ETF in this video. Online, it takes about 10 minutes. Your name, your address, your social security number, and a bank account to link. Step 2. Fund the account. Transfer $5,000 from your bank to your brokerage. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Before you buy anything, turn on automatic dividend reinvestment in the account settings. That way, every time your ETFs pay dividends, that cash automatically buys more shares instead of just sitting there. Step 3. Buy the ETFs. Search the tickers VO, QQQ, VXUS, or VOQQQ VGT if you choose the aggressive version. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest in each one based on your chosen allocation. Confirm the order. Done. And here's the best part for investing for beginners. You don't need to wait for a big round number. Most major brokerages support fractional shares. That means you can start with $50, $100, $500, whatever you can afford, and still get into the same ETFs. After you buy, the most important thing is what you do next, or more accurately, what you don't do. First, hold through the drops. Your portfolio will fall. 20% down, 30% down, maybe more in a bad year. But every major downturn in history has been followed by a recovery. The people who lose money permanently are the ones who panic, sell at the bottom, and never get back in. Second, let dividends keep reinvesting automatically. Every quarter, these funds pay dividends. If you leave automatic reinvestment on, those dividends buy more shares. More shares generate more dividends next quarter. Those dividends buy more shares again. And that compounding loop runs in the background for years without you lifting a finger. And this is exactly what makes investing for beginners so powerful. Third, review once a year. Not once a week, not once a month, just once a year. Open your brokerage account, check your allocations, and see if VO, QQQ, and VXUS or VGT have drifted too far from where you started. If QQQ or VGT grew a lot and now dominate your portfolio, you can rebalance. Sell a little of the one that's too big and buy a little of the ones that are too small. If nothing has changed much, just close the app and go back to your life. Because in the end, investing for beginners is not about being smarter than everyone else. It's about being consistent. It's about starting with what you have, even if it's only $5,000. It's about choosing low-cost, diversified ETFs that track solid indexes. And it's about staying in the game long enough for compounding to do its magic. You don't need to pick the perfect stock. You don't need to time the market. You